Hello everyone, welcome to episode 6. Today we talk about a day at home. Let's begin. Today I stay at home. I do not go to work. I do not go to school. I stay inside. It is a quiet day. I wake up at 7. I open my eyes slowly. I feel calm. I sit up in bed. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. I stand up. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. The tea is warm. I drink it slowly. I enjoy the taste. Then I make breakfast. I cook eggs. I cut some fruit. I sit at the table. I eat and listen to music. The music is soft. After breakfast, I clean a little. I wash the dishes. I wipe the table. I sweep the floor. I like a clean home. Later, I read a book. The book is simple. The story is nice. I sit on the sofa. I read for 1 hour. I feel relaxed. In the afternoon, I rest. I lie down. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. I take a short nap. It feels good. After my nap, I call my friend. We talk for a few minutes. We laugh. We share news. It makes me happy. Later, I watch a movie. The movie is funny. I smile a lot. I enjoy the time. In the evening, I cook dinner. I make pasta. I eat and watch the sunset. The sky looks beautiful. Before bed, I take a warm shower. I put on my pajamas. I sit on my bed. I think about my day. It was simple. It was peaceful. I turn off the light. I close my eyes. Good night. Thank you for listening. This was episode 6, A Day at Home. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow the podcast. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.